Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a gear shifter change on the Audi S4 B8 with side button, and we're gonna swap it to the front button from the proper S4 gear knob. First thing I want to point out, I'm not a mechanic, I'm a car enthusiast, and I'm not going to be held responsible for any damages caused by attempting to replicate this guide. Second thing, the tools required, it's a plastic trim, tool remover, a two-way heat gun, adjustable pliers, and small flat screwdriver. So this is how your standard gear shifter looks like at this point. So as you can see, it has side button on it, and through the guide we're going to change it to the front facing sport gear knob from S4. Using the plastic trim tool, try to wiggle it slowly on the right hand side, and then when you're going to get in, just lift a little bit and the whole thing from the right hand side gonna lift up. Lift the gaiter up to reveal the clip. You're gonna need a flat screwdriver to open it. Using a flat screwdriver, put it in at the end of a clip, twist it left or right hand side, whichever, and that will release the clip which is gonna drop it. Now the little tricky part, it's to remove the whole shifter. What you need to do, you need to grab it, the button, pull it until you're gonna hear a little click. If you don't worry about it. It will eventually, you will feel it that it's locks and it won't pull anymore. With your other hand, grab firmly the gear knob and pull it up. Please watch it as they sit quite fit in your shifter, and if you pull it very hard you might hit yourself in the eye or hit the mirror, so be careful. Mine released quite easily. As you can see, this is the hole where the hatch sits in your lever. When you press the button, the whole stick lifts up, allows you to shift the gears. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use a heat gun, not on the plastic bit, but on the metal casing around it, and we're going to heat it up, lift the stick up and twist it. Use the adjustable pliers just to grab it just above the metal casing around the stick. Heat it up, the metal casing around the stick, lift the stick up, twist it like clockwise, and repeat the process until the stick hole is facing forwards. Please do not rush with that, as you may break the stick. So do it slowly and with a little bit of patience. It's about 10 to 20 minutes, depends what kind of a heat. As you can see, after 10-20 minutes, patiently heating up the casing and moving the stick clockwise, the whole faces now front. So we can proceed to reassembly the new gear shift. Reassemble process is quite simple. So you put the gear knob on a stick, you pressed it in, and the hatch should locked in place. If you put a second hand gear knob and the button is pressed in, so now it comes to the tricky part where you have to lift it up, the button on the front, which causes slight stretch of a springs inside, and then inside there is a latch which is white, and it has to go through two pins which lock in it in place and allowing you to press that button when it's reassembled. So make sure that the button is not pressed in. If it is, I'll post a video for some of you if you want it, how to release that button afterwards. Thank you for watching it. Hopefully that was very helpful for you lot.
if you need anything else, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer all the questions.